Hello, fifth graders. I hope that you are doing well. I'm homesick, so with the substitute, I thought you might enjoy checking out Google Arts and Culture. So with your laptop, just go ahead and start typing Google Arts and Culture and enter. We're going to do the games. So if your Google search results look like this, you can go ahead and click games right away. If that isn't the case and you go to the home landing page, you can hit play across the top here, or you can even just scroll down. I found it a number of different ways. So hopefully you'll be able to find the games pretty easily. And once you're in the games, there are a number of different things that some might be more challenging than others. Puzzle Party looked like a fun one. You can do it yourself, or you can copy the link and do multiplayer. So we don't have a Google Classroom, so if we just copy the link, then you could go maybe into on campus and message it to your classmates and then work on the puzzle together. And so each puzzle is a different famous artwork. If I exit, I'll show you a couple other ones. This might be interesting, the music, but you'll need some earbuds or headphones. 3D pottery was cool. You use your mouse to like pretend like you're working with a potter's wheel to recreate some famous historical pots. Let's see, art coloring book looked like another good one. If you choose an artwork, you can go ahead and fill it in using the colors in the mouse here. I don't mind either if you download it. If you download it and open it and you would prefer to color it in with the colored pencils in the classroom, please just check with the substitute for Mrs. Weber so that you can go to the computer lab to get that from the printer. Um, yeah, so anyway, just something to check out, something different. And I look forward to seeing you again and hearing about what you found interesting on this website. All right, thanks.